Hey there, tech enthusiasts and home security buffs. Today, we're diving into the world of smart doorbells with the all-new Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Buckle up, because this little device is about to blow your mind with its head-to-toe HD plus video, advanced motion detection, and crystal-clear two-way talk. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's get straight to the good stuff. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is the latest addition to Amazon's lineup of smart home devices, and it's packing some serious upgrades. First off, let's talk about that video quality. We're talking full HD plus resolution here, folks. This means you'll be able to see everything from the top of your visitor's head down to their toes. No more mystery packages or unidentified visitors. You'll catch every detail in stunning clarity. But wait, there's more. The motion detection on this bad boy is next level. It's got advanced sensors that can pick up even the slightest movement, so you'll never miss a thing, whether it's a delivery person dropping off a package or your neighbor's cat wandering onto your porch. You'll get instant alerts right to your phone. And speaking of alerts, you can customize them to your heart's content. Want to know when someone's lingering near your door? Done. Only care about people approaching your property. You got it. Now, let's talk about that two-way talk feature. It's like having a personal doorman, but better. The audio quality is so clear, you'll feel like you're having a face-to-face conversation. Forgot to tell the delivery person where to leave your package? No problem. Just hop on the app and give them instructions in real. It's perfect for those moments when you're not home, but still need to communicate with visitors. Installation, a breeze. You don't need to be a tech wizard to set this up. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus comes with everything you need, including easy-to-follow instructions, and since it's battery-powered, you don't have to worry about complicated wiring. Just mount it, sync it with your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. But here's the real kicker. The battery life on this thing is impressive. We're talking months of use on a single charge. And when it does need juice, just pop it off and plug it in. It's that simple. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about nighttime? Well, fear not. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus has got you covered with its night vision capabilities. You'll get clear, detailed footage, even in low-light conditions. So, there you have it, folks. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is more than just a doorbell. It's your personal security guard, communication hub, and peace of mind all rolled into one sleek package. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to up their home security game, this device is definitely worth checking out.